Hi everyone. This video is about well-designed website. Basically how to do it yourself. Okay. So, de depending on where you're coming from, if you're an individual consumer or a business, determines what route to take. Okay. So the first step is what type of a website do you need? Do you need a blog? Do you need a form? Do you need a directory type? Or do you need like an e-commerce shopping cart theme style website? It really is it's dependent upon the situation. Um, so the most common platform to use for a website is WordPress. There are multiple other um, platforms or softwares to use. I like to use WordPress because it is the most common one. Over 65% of the world's web pages are built on WordPress, and a lot of the internet technology is designed to accommodate WordPress website, and it's extremely user friendly. It's SEO oriented. I I really have no qualms with WordPress, and I've been using it since day one. So I'm not even gonna waste my time talking about all the other themes, like Joomla, all this other crap. But hey, if you want to, go watch some other video. This is for WordPress only, okay? WordPress. All right. So WordPress is awesome because there's so many themes. Whatever theme that you need to accommodate your need, you have the most chance of getting it using WordPress. Um, If okay, so you got past what type of website you need. All right. Second thing is who's gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna hire a professional? Okay. Now you can build a website yourself. It's really not that hard. But if you're the type of person that it's not, forget it. It's just not something like it's French to you. You're not gonna get it. You don't want to waste. You're not gonna bother waste that much time on a computer. Then I recommend you hire a professional to do it. But if you're somebody that is somewhat savvy, you know how to play around with phone, make pictures, funny memes, and all this stuff, then I think you can make it. You can use WordPress. Just real quick um set something up and then just find a theme um, based on your need, and then just load it up and then just start editing, that kind of thing. There's a lot of drag and drop themes that you can use, so very minimal coding. All right. So it's really not that hard. There's also Wix.com. I've never personally used it, but I understand that it's pretty easy too. So for the ones that are not very tech savvy, you can check that out. All right. Okay, so you figured out your theme, you figured out what platform. Now the next thing is you need your hosting. Your hosting is sort of like the real estate. Where is all your stuff going to be stored? It needs to be stored in some sort of, garage somewhere, in some sort of server somewhere. So that's why you need hosting. And hosting is really important because hosting determines how fast your website speed is. And your website speed is extremely important because your website speed determines your ranking. If your website is slow, you're never going to rank high because no, most people, mobile users, they only got seconds. And if your website it's going to take minutes to load, Google's not even going to waste its time trying to refer you. So I'm telling you from experience, I used to be the guy that had like gigabytes of data of website that was not optimized, and just sheer weight, I was buried in rankings. So trust me, don't do it, okay? You need good hosting. Hosting, there's so many ways to go with it. There even the expensive ones don't necessarily mean speed. So I'm not gonna recommend any hosting company. You just gotta figure one out for yourself, okay? Um, if you need like my personal opinion, reach out to me privately. But you need hosting, okay? But it's on you to figure out which one. Okay, so you figured out an awesome hosting that'll work for you. Then the next thing is you need a domain. Now, for the domain, look guys, domain is not like some rocket science. I have like clients that will spend like damn it feels like their whole life trying to figure out the perfect like business name, business like domain, and it's not that big a deal. Nobody cares. Like once I don't care what your business name is. It could be crap. Long as your business is doing awesome, people are gonna love it and remember that name. So the name is not that big of a deal. The most important thing is you do not want nobody else to have it, and then secondly, you want to make sure it's at least a keyword. Okay? There's so many tools out there like Google Keyword, um, Neil Patel's website, Uber Suggest, where you can SEMrush, a lot where you can do keyword research related to your business, related to your business name, and if you can find anything that's remotely a keyword and somewhat sounds like your business names, then pick that as your domain. And for domains, yeah, I'll recommend domains for you. Because like GoDaddy is awesome, 99 cents for a year, and after that it's only like 15 a year. There is Ionos, there is One and One, there is Namecheap, there are many others that I can't think of right now. So that's not a big deal. But the bottom line is do not pay more than $1 for the first year, okay? That's my secret gift to you. All right, so now once you have that, guess what? You are beyond ready for a website. The, other than excuse, you should start working on getting it launched. So what's the next thing? Now the next thing is the best part, adding content. Adding content is very important because for the first few years, if you are not consistent in adding content, you can kiss the www goodbye because you are going to disappear. If you don't want to disappear, you want to keep adding content. What kind of content you can add? Anything. You can make videos, even though I am not a fan of making videos, guys. And I'll be honest with you, I'm only making it to please YouTube so they can maintain my rank. Because if I stop making videos, they're gonna tank me, and I'm already #1, and I don't want to be on page 2. I want to stay on 1. And because of that, I have to keep making videos, educating you guys. So you better appreciate it, okay? Capiche? All right. So you're gonna keep producing content just like me. Make stinking videos, even if you don't like it. Post crap on YouTube, even if you don't like it. On Instagram, I just put funny memes of clients that I make fun of. Because you know what? Clients always think they're right. Yeah, customers are right, but you know what? I'm gonna make fun of my customers. How about that, huh? So just keep posting stuff because you need to keep adding content. But the point is keep doing that consistently over time. It's going to build digital trail, and this digital trail is what's going to help you rank high. And the great thing about ranking high, it's forever. If you build enough content to where you can rank high, um, and stay #1 for like a year, you could stay on in that position for years until somebody else takes over, which is unlikely. You know, if especially if you're hardworking, you keep producing content, nobody's gonna take over your spot. So that's like free marketing forever. Do you know what's gonna happen if you get Google to rank you high and for Google to start sending you traffic? They can literally make you instant millionaires. They could send you millions of people per day if if you get to that point. So it's beyond worth it. Okay, guys? I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are. Peace.